Is this the smartest scale ever? This is the Withings Body Scan scale, and it does more than weighing you in. It tracks body fat, muscle mass, even your heart health. I've been wanting to test it so badly, and it's finally here. So we're gonna start from unboxing, but I'm gonna also break it down to everything you need to know, including features, accuracy, and whether it's worth the price. So let's get into it. So let's open it together. Okay, so we're gonna open this up right here. Oh, it's heavy. Wow. Okay, that has that signature logo of Withings, and wow, look at this. Look at this. Oh, first of all, it's really heavy. Ow. So, ooh, it has a handle like this. That is cool. Okay, let me take it out of this packaging. Let me take it out of this packaging first. Peel this off. Wow. Wow, just look at that. So right out of the box, the design is super sleek and super chic. Look at how beautiful this is. And it looks premium. You get the scale itself, of course, and it's glass, right? And a retractable handle. Now, if you see the handle, there's the metal grips here and this side, and you pretty much hold the handle for advanced health tracking. And also, this is USB-C chargeable, so it comes with the USB charger. This isn't just for the weight, it's packed with the medical grade sensors. Setting up is super easy. First, you're gonna turn on with this button right next to the USB charging, and then it's gonna ask you to open up the Withings app. Now, on your phone device, you could download it, whether it's an iOS or if it's Android, it doesn't matter. Any phone will work because Withings is compatible with both. This app is called Withings Health Mate app, and all you need to do is connect it with a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So let's try it. So once I turned on my Withings scale, my phone recognized, or the app recognized, that it was the body scan. So all I'm gonna do is press connect to get them connected. And then it's gonna tell you to generate a code to connect it together. So all you need to do is type the code that you see on the scale right here into your phone to get it connected. Pair. Once it's linked, it will automatically sync all your readings. So now it's just updating, and we'll just let that go. While we wait, I'll tell you more about why I'm doing this right now is because I'm currently doing a fitness journey, and I thought this would be the perfect time for me to get a scale that's actually high quality, that tracks everything. And I wanted just more than weight. I wanted to see my body fat percentage, or my heart rate. I just want everything to be synced together, and I also wanted to see it on my phone. So this will be a really cool experience for me. The app is also well designed, and it gives you a deep dive into your health stats over time. But you might think, what does this scale actually measure? Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and then now the body scan is connected to my phone. So we're gonna do Explorer features, and then it's gonna tell you how to use it. And then there's all kinds of health monitoring, and you can share stats, all that sort. But let me go into details of the benefits of the Withings Body Scan scale. So once everything is set up, you wanna get into health monitoring, and you wanna just go into deep dive and every single information, because this is obviously what Withings is using for, but I wanted to just explain it to you simply. The Withings Health Mate app is well designed and gives you a deep dive into your health stats over time. But what exactly does this scale measure? First, it measures your weight, but unlike the basic scales, it breaks it down into body fat, muscle mass, water percentage, and even visceral fat. This helps you to see what really is changing in your body, not just a number of the scale. This handle is where things get interesting. It scans fat and muscle mass separately for your arms, legs, and torso. So if you're focusing on a specific area in your fitness journey, you get super detailed insights. Now here's where the scale stands out. It has a built-in 6-lead ECG, meaning that it detects potential heart irregularities, something you typically only get in a doctor's office. One of the most unique features is the ability to assess nerve activity in your feet. This could be useful for people with at-risk and neuropathy like diabetes or those with circulation issues. So how accurate is it? Compared to the DEXA scan, the readings are surprisingly close, especially for a body fat percentage. It won't replace medical grade devices, but for home use, it's one of the most advanced options out there. And compared to the other smart scales out there like Fitbit Area or Garmin Index, the Withings Body Scan offers way more health data, especially the ECG and segmental body composition. So some of the pros of Withings Body Scan scale is that it's extremely detailed health insights. It also gives accurate segmental body compositions like arms, legs, and it also includes ECG and nerve tracking, which is incredible. Now, the cons. It's kind of expensive, and some of the features made me an overkill for a casual user, so it is highly recommended for people that are focused on fitness and health. That's my thought. So, is it worth it? Honestly, if you're serious about health tracking and want to know more about weight data, this is one of the best smart scales out there. The ECG and the nerve activity tracking are the game changers, and the app makes it super easy to track your progress. But if you're looking for just a basic scale, you might not need it at all of this level of scale. But I highly recommend it if you're on a fitness journey like me. And as you might know, as I mentioned before, I'm on a fitness journey for 14 days doing my boxing, and you might have seen it on my Instagram. I'm doing this with my husband, and I think Withings Body Scan is the perfect way to measure my data along with my wearables. So thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!